Happy Friday, everyone. So you might be wondering what webinars can do for your business. So if you're looking for different ways to market your business, and you're looking for one that has the potential to really crush it, to just bring in tons of leads within an hour or potentially even sales. Today, we're going to show you how to do this with webinars, why you should use webinars, how to use them to sell products and all your services. And here's some cool statistics for you. Did you know webinars retain 40% of viewers' attention? Between 20 to 40% of those who go to a webinar become qualified leads, and 2 to 5% will buy something. So if you're ready to make money with webinars, if you know the importance of webinars, if you're not using them, you're losing over a lot. So hey everyone, I'm Kareem with Team DotcomPal, your all-in-one solution to build, grow, sell, and manage from one place. And I'm joined by my awesome and amazing co-host, Manish. Manish, how are you today?
I'm good, Kareem. Thank you for asking, and I'm really happy that you're also doing well as you were struggling with flu since last week. So it's good to be back with you again over here on Facebook and at YouTube. Hello, everyone. I'm Manish, and it was really good. The Kareem explains very well about the brief idea about the power of webinars in online marketing, and absolutely, it's true that webinars can boost the marketing results, and there are several examples where it has been proved as well. So let me go in more details about the benefits of webinars and how it can be helpful for the growth of your business, and how you can create a webinar registration page with the help of DotcomPal, where you can ask your audience to register for your upcoming event. So before I start, actually, webinar reminds me a famous quote said by a very famous marketing expert, that good marketing makes the company look smart, but great marketing makes the customer feel smart. And after all, customer is king if we are doing a business, and it's always good that customers should feel great about all the things. That's the basic strategy if we are looking for success in any business. So to make a deep dive into this all concerns. So let me share my screen first with you.
And while you're watching, ladies and gentlemen, remember, you can get awesome updates like these. All you got to do is go to our YouTube channel, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video. If you have any comments about what we're talking about, we go over a lot of material, leave them down below so we can help you grow your business with DotcomPal and help you with webinars. If you're watching on Facebook, give me a like, give me a share to someone who wants to grow their business.
Great. So here we are. Absolutely. If you want more sessions, more useful topics, more relevant topics from us, and your comments, your feedback, your any way you interact with us, that motivates us to deliver more and more from our side, and to put more efforts to bring more useful, relevant, and result-oriented information for you guys. So here we are. I have created a presentation for you about the importance of webinar in any online business, how you should deal with them, why it is important for your business, and what are the elements you need to put there on your webinar registration pages to get most out of them. So here we are. With the help of webinars, you can deliver tremendous value, absolutely, because it's truly amazing if you are doing it in a right way. You will be able to engage your audience for hours, which is usually not possible with videos or any other marketing stream. Your audience can ask questions to you, discuss their thoughts and their doubts, and you can get instant feedback from your audience then and there. So this is the best way, or I must say, the most popular way nowadays, in the era of internet marketing, that can deliver the really amazing value to the audiences you are interacting with during a webinar. The next thing is you can crack sales without selling hard. Obviously, you may have attended webinars where people start with a coaching and at the end they pitch for a product or service. After all, you get to know that this was all about to sell a product or service, and that clearly shows over there. But in my opinion, it's a wrong way to get most out of your efforts. Best webinar teaches and sell at the same time. Your content should tell about the common problems, answer questions or objections, and deliver solutions without teaching too much. Your content should teach your audience what to want, and that what is your product. And by the time you make an offer during your webinar, the entire audience already wants it because you have created need over there. So the fact, the sum is you need to create a need of your product while you are explaining about the problems and solutions. Not I will not suggest you to go for hardcore sales or hardcore sales pitch. It should be, it should feel like a requirement for the business audience or the viewer or the person who is listening to you or viewing to you over there, interacting with you, should feel that he really needs that product, and that need you need to create while you are communicating with your audience. So it was all about the facilitating. Sorry, I went into the content that much that I forgot to forward the slide. But now, uh, webinar helps you to come forward as an expert in your field. Obviously, people who are going to register for your event, exchanging their data, marking the date on your on their calendar for your event, as they believe you are going to deliver something which is important for them. And this belief presents you as an expert in front of them, in front of the world, because internet is open for all. So there is no limit. And yes, this is the next point. If we talk about with webinars, there is no limit. The biggest benefit of webinars is you can communicate with any number of audiences at a time. No physical arrangement are there, no pick and drop, absolutely nothing. It's all virtual over internet for everyone. Obviously, great way to generate leads with webinars. You can generate more and more endless leads because we know a business with more than enough leads will never struggle to grow. Because leads is the backbone, lifeblood, whatever the people or marketers say about it, it's true. Without leads, no any online business can survive over there. Leads is the really backbone, lifeblood, and there are several other words which I'm not able to recall right now. But yes, exactly, it's the most important part of any online business because leads are the people or the customer or the subscriber or the audience who are going to listen to you, who are going to read your emails, who are going to watch your videos, who are going to engage with your pop-ups. So lead is the most important thing where you are going to promote any product, any service, any offer. So webinar attracts new eyes, generate new leads for you, which you can convert in potential customers over time by delivering value to them. Value is really important. Nurturing, we can call it, because without nurturing, your leads will distract from you, and they will like feel annoyed by your offers. It's not like that you are sending offers and offers and offers and offers always. You need to nurture them. You need to provide value for the time, for the efforts, for the money they paid to you. So if you are constantly delivering the value over there, they will surely listen you anytime, every time. Now, if we talk about these are the benefits of webinars. If we talk about, and now to promote to get register attendees on your during your webinar, you need a webinar registration page or landing page where you will ask the viewers or the audience or the visitors to register for your webinar event. And that page, there are some common elements, there are some general elements that those are really important, and you should not ignore those elements on your webinar registration page. And we are going to discuss about those things. As you can see, the first thing is headlines. Your webinar page headline is what captures your visitors' attention and motivate them to keep reading. It needs to be to the point, bold, and eye-catching. Right? Now, the next is subheadings. Use subheadings frequently throughout your webinar sign-up page to break the large chunks of content and make your page easy to read. Next one is appealing copy. Your page copy should appeal people to sign up for your webinar. Describe how users will benefit from attending and how they can use those benefits to improve their lives. Emphasize the webinar's date and time. Obviously, if a user does choose to attend your webinar, the most important piece of information you need for them to take away from your sign up page, that is webinar's date and time. Make sure the date and time is clearly displayed in a large font that stands out. Also, be sure to include your time zone for those who are far and far away. Uh, the next one is registration form. Sign-up forms are an essential part of your webinar registration page. You will need a form to collect email addresses and phone numbers, etc. So you can send email notifications when your webinar is about to start. Call to action buttons. A strong CTA call to action button will leave no doubt about what you expect from visitors to do next. Use buttons that stand out from the page to prompt users to register right away. Introduce your presenter. Be sure to set aside some space on your sign-up page to introduce whoever is presenting the webinar. Use this space to include the presenter's name, title, and a small picture. This small bio makes a virtual presentation feel a bit more real and increases the chances that a user will register and attend. After this example of previous webinars, you know, webinars are a bit of time commitment. One way you can prove that your webinar won't be a waste of a business hour. It is really important for anyone. Uh, and to show this, you can offer the clips of your previous webinars. Add a small collection of past webinars to your sign-up page so users can get an idea of the real value you are offering to them. It was all about the importance of webinars, the elements you should not skip while designing or creating or building a webinar registration page. Now, for the further information, I would like to show you my business I have created with DotcomPal, that how DotcomPal help you to create a webinar registration page. You can do that over here. And this is my business, that is Yoga World I have created earlier. And here, if I go to the Grow section where we deal with the landing pages, videos, emails, pop-ups and bars, and funnel journey, I'm going to the landing pages. I have created these pages, these 3 pages over here to explain you about the page creation. And this is the yoga webinar, the page I have created today itself. And let me show you the page I have created. This is the page. This is the dummy number, obviously. This is the headline. This is the sub headline. This is the type of the event I'm going to organize. This is date. This is time, and with the time zone. Form we have discussed about, And now this is the benefit which I'm going to, or the presenter is going to deliver during this webinar session, webinar event. And now about the presenter, this is the name, this is the picture, this is about a little bio that she is representing ancient Indian yoga on international stages since last 9 years and completed 100 plus sessions around the world. So this is the line, this is the paragraph, this is the information which uh, presents or represents the Mahi, the presenter of this event, as the expert of the industry. Because 9 years is like much amount or enough amount, or 100 plus sessions are enough that somebody is expert or the stuff or content or the topic going to deliver. And this is about the contact us, because obviously this contact us always gives the reader or the viewer or the audience or the visitor an authenticity or authority or confidence that the person is real. So you should also share about the address where you can be reached, or those kind of things. These are the legal information like terms of condition or kind of the information, social media links. This is obviously editable, but I kept it as .compal because I'm working for that. Built with .compal, you are very well aware that this branding can be removed if you want. So, and you can see that I have configured a custom domain as well. So it's on my branding, that is yogaworld.gq slash yoga hyphen webinar. So you can also configure your domain if you own a one, and you can use that over here. Now, just a glimpse, if you want to create a new page like yoga journal, and going to create it. Uh, I'm sure we have covered this in our one of our previous session over here, that we are offering several templates, DFI done for you templates, which you can use for your campaigns, for your page creation. And these are fully editable. You just need to replace, change, edit those content, that content or images or the graphics or the videos over there with the help of .compal free flow editor. What we call it, what you see, what you get is what you get. So you can replace the images, you can change the content, you can delete any content if you don't like any stuff or anything, any piece over there in the template. If you want to start from scratch like a whiteboard, you want to design by yourself, all the things over there, you are uh, like, we welcome you for that, and you can start from scratch. And from gallery, you can preview any template over here. I'm just opening it. This all the content you are watching over here, it's editable, and if I open it or select it for the creation of this new page yoga demo, just opening up. And now here we are. This is the business logo. You can replace, like I have placed the yoga world logo over here. This is not. This was not the template actually, which I picked from the list of the templates. But yes, you can change the logo. You can edit the phone number if you want. Like 1, 2, 3, or any other thing. It's completely movable, completely editable. You can zones, sign up button. You can edit the text. So now all the elements are present over here. If you want to put some more information anyway, like you want to have some more content over there, some more text, you can put that over here. The images are change image if you want. Like if I want to put the image of my over here, the presenter of my event, webinar event. So See, it can be resized. The time, calendar, date, everything. It's fully editable. You can see how easy it is. Just drag and drop uh, headline about this. If you want to place any, you can. So this was the thing, and this has been covered several times in earlier sessions as well. So this was all about the webinar registration and how you can uh, create a webinar registration page with the help of .compal page editor. What are the elements you need to you should consider while designing, creating, or building a webinar registration page, and how webinars are helpful to grow your business, and how modest it is, how useful it is, and how easy it is as well. So, Kareem, what do you think when you are going to host a webinar for your video agency? And I would love to join that to know more about video creation, video editing, and how you play with the videos.
So thank you for doing an awesome job there, Manish. When it comes to all these things, really with videos, you just want to be confident like you just did. You want to get the point through, and then you want to say, hey, here's how I can solve your problem. Here's my experience. If you can do those things and in that order, generally your webinar will go pretty awesome. And just to show you guys, if you're wondering, well, okay, about the technical stuff in the webinar, as Manish showed you, you have multiple landing pages here. You know, all you have to do is go to grow, go to landing pages. It takes a second to load here, and then you will have literally 27 pages. You don't have to code. You don't have to do anything. You can just go ahead and go through them, find the one that works for you, click on it, and customize it. It'll be pretty much done from there. And then you might be asking, okay, well, what can I do webinar-wise? If you come to the 3 dots here on integrations, you can integrate our webinar software here, and you're good to go. You can do this all inside .compal. So with that said, does anybody have any questions, any thoughts, any comments, anything they'd like to know about webinars or how to grow .compal using their current business? As I said, I do a little bit of video stuff myself as I'm doing this here. And one nice thing about video is when you get good with video, you can get good with webinars too. It comes from, public speaking and just being confident in what you're doing. And I like DotcomPal so much. Me and Manish are so confident about, how it can help you in your business. So that said, any questions, thoughts, or comments? If you're watching on YouTube, drop them in the comments section. Facebook, same thing.
I think we have got one new member as a SailorSpell user, Ralph Anderson from Sweden. Hey, I'm sure that you are enjoying the features we are delivering with SailorSpell, one of the module of .compal itself. If you have any question, any query, any doubt about SailorSpell or .compal or any other module of .compal, you can just drop a comment over there. We will answer that. Also, our customer success team is available over there 24/7. Whenever you need any help, you just need to click on help at the bottom left of your screen inside .compal, and one of the member from customer success team would be there with you live over a chat session where you can discuss more about the issue you are facing, and you can contact us anytime over emails as well. support@dotcompal.com is the email address. You just need to send an email, and we will be there with you within just 3 or 4 hours, maximum 4 hours.
Yeah. And yeah, I've used the support. It's awesome. We have a really, really great support. Manish and Chirag crush it on support. And Ralph Anderson, I want to give a shout out to you. Hope you're enjoying SellerPal. Hope you crush it with your webinars, your physical products, and memberships if you have them. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions, anything you thought of, came to mind, you said, hey, I forgot about it, leave it in the comments below after this presentation, and we can address it. No problem if we've gone offline. So, if you're excited about using webinars, if you want to scale your business, if you want to get started and just crush it, the best place to go is .compal.com and click Get Started for Free. You can get started for free no questions asked. But as you're scaling your business, you're making more lead pages, landing pages, webinars, things like that. You'll want to go pro. Why? Because you can get the founder's special lifetime deal with unlimited landing pages, websites, and a couple of really great quick start bonuses to upgrade your DotcomPal experience so you have everything so you can grow your business, not your bill. And if you haven't got Star with us, now's the time to do it. Go to DotcomPal.com and get started for free. 3 clicks, you can have your business set up, no credit card asked, no payment, $100 a month service for free. But don't just set up an account. Use it to build, grow, and sell. Because as we grow, we help other businesses. And we cannot grow DotcomPal if you don't grow your business. We can't grow if you don't grow. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank my awesome co-host. I want to thank all of you guys for tuning in today. YouTube, Facebook, wherever you're tuning in from. There is no DotcomPal without you guys. You can have a great product, but without amazing customers and some training to help them, the product isn't as good on itself. And Ralph says, I now wait for Avangate to get me in. So
I think he is waiting for the approval from Avangate so that he can get the affiliate link to promote .com.pl as an affiliate. So Ralph, sometimes it takes time, and they may ask you some questions. So please keep checking your email, and if they ask you something, please provide the information. You will get approval for sure.
Yes. Yeah, it took me actually about a week just to give you a thing here, Ralph. I did JV Zoo Warrior Plus in the past. Avangate, they want to have the best affiliates. You're not going to sign up and just spam. So what they do is they have an approval process, and they ask me a couple questions about my website, things like that, which you can create a website on .com.pal as well. And I had to tell them, like, yes, no, this is my domain, this is why it is, and I got approval. Took a little bit of time, but it was worth it. So, yes, that's the same, and I answered them. Good. Okay, and if you have any issues with Avangate, let me know. Try to help you out. Do we have any more questions before we wrap up? All right. Then with that, I want to thank my awesome support team, Manish and Chirag, for doing an awesome job. And Manish is my awesome co-host today. I want to thank him for doing such a great presentation. I want to thank Abinati for great content. And I want to thank all the viewers again. We cannot grow without you guys. So keep growing, keep building. We will see you soon with another live session on how to grow your business with .com.pal. Take it easy, guys. Stay safe. Have a great weekend. Thank you, Ralph, as well. Take care, guys.